Boost Python, converting tuple to Python works, vector tuple does not. I've been using Boost Python for a while, and everything always turned out okay. However, yesterday I was trying to find out why a particular type I thought I had registered, a tuple, was giving me errors when I was trying to access it from Python. Turns out that while the tuple was actually registered, when trying to access it through an std: vector, wrapped via the vector _indexing_ suite, this is not enough anymore. I was wondering, why is it not working? Is there any way to make this work? Should I try to wrap the vector by hand? Below is my MVE. Accessing the resulting .so via Python results in edit. I've realized that the error does not happen if the vector _indexing_ suite is used with the no proxy parameter set to true. However, I'd prefer if this wasn't necessary, as it makes the exported classes unintuitive in Python.
Tuple to Python registers C++ to Python converters and Python to C++ converters. This is fine. On the other hand, you want your vector elements to be returned by reference. But there's nothing on the Python side that can serve as a reference to your tuple. A converted to Python tuple may hold the same values, but it is completely detached from the original C++ tuple. It looks like in order to export a tuple by reference, one would need to create an indexing suite for it, rather than to / from Python converters. I have never done that and cannot guarantee it will work. Here's how one could expose a tuple as a minimal tuple-like Python object, with only len and indexing. First, define some helper functions. Then expose specific tuples. Note these quasi-tuples, unlike real Python tuples, are mutable via C++. Because of tuple immutability, exporting via converters and no proxy looks like a viable alternative to this.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.